Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are gonna unbox our paper pumpkin. I got it in the mail and have no idea what all is in here. So let's go ahead and check it out. Our Stampin' Spot is Bermuda Bay. Very nice. And then we've got our celebration is here, and I can tell you about that. Oh, I heard this one may sell out. So if you love sunflowers, next month is the month to get it. And then celebration, get your free goodies during celebration. When you get $50 or more, you get to choose a free celebration product. So for every $50 you spend, you get to choose something. So how cool is that? And then I'm gonna put this, let me see if I can get it in there. There we go. If you scan that little, this little guy here, that'll take you to where you could shop the products. And then here, what do we have? I'm trying to see what we've got here. Ah, it looks like it's nautical. We've got a ship here. Maybe that's some netting, maybe, or bubbles. We've got some starfish, some seaweed. Oh, a little seahorse. Says, thinking of you, can't wait to see you. Wishing you all the best. And then this one I cannot read because I don't have my glasses. Everything. I have no idea. I truthfully have no idea. I probably should have some glasses with me, but I don't. Maybe we'll see it a little bit better here. So let's go ahead and open these little guys up. So while I'm opening this up, you know, we were talking about celebration, and they have it in the paper pumpkin in there because if you purchase a paper pumpkin in a 3-month or more, you'll get at least one celebration item. So if you are a monthly subscriber and you pay each month, you might want to think about just grabbing on my site, I'll put it right here, jeanpersani.stampinup.net, and purchasing a 3-month supply or a 6-month. I think they also have a year and 2 years, and then you get to keep choosing more and more celebration items. So just thought I'd tell you about that. And then actually, if you purchase $50 or more, you get the free celebration item. Plus, you get to attend my August class. And my August class is going to be 1 week earlier. It's usually the last Saturday of the month, but I'm going to be busy. So on 8/20, if you purchase $50 or more, you can attend the class. If you are on my Stampin' Up! Team and are a Stamping Beauty, you can attend my class for free. And if you purchase the By My Side bundle with the Charming Sentiments, you can also get into my class for free. And then I'm also going to be working with the Stylist Sketches from Celebration. So if you qualify for any of this, this is what I will be using in my August class. All right, that was my commercial. So let's go ahead and look at these. So, oh, it says sending good thoughts. What did I say? Everything. Okay, sending good thoughts. All right, it looks like we are going to have some cutouts on here as well. Some little messages in a bottle, a ship in a bottle. This is great. This is good for a man or a woman. We've got our dimensionals, of course. We've got our coordinating envelopes. How many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It comes with 9 cards. Is that what it is? Yep. 9 enough supplies to make 9 cards and envelopes. So we will be doing this online, live, putting these together. And I will make sure to add the dates here in a post. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you do so. And we've got some great bases here. These are actually layers that go on the base. You might not be able to see, but they are raised. So we've got 3 of those. We've got 3 of these, which look like they could be, yes, it is like an ocean wave with some clouds there. So we've got 3 of those. And then these look like they're kind of waves, but they are all embossed. So can you see that? How cool is that? And now let's look at the bases. We've got these purple bases. We've got 3 of those. I love this because you get that great purple color, but then the inside, they're white, so you can still write all your sentiments. We've got 1, 2, 3 different size bottles. We've got a flag and a tag. And we've got 1, 2, 3 of those. We're definitely going to have extra stuff to go off and make our own cards. We've got this gray color. Again, if this was all gray, we'd have to get a basic white and put that on the inside so you could write, but these come just like this. So that's very cool. We've got some nice long flags here, another tag, and we've got some circle die cutouts. And then this looks like it's a Bermuda Bay with the white. So we've got some great colors. We've got 1, 2, 3 sheets. This little guy has already fallen out. How cute is he? So cute. And then, what else do we have here? So what I like to do in preparation is I line them all up, and we're just gonna pop this little guy right out. So we have a few of those seagulls there. We also have some stars, or starfish, if you will. We've got 3 of those. We've got the little seahorse. And with this seahorse, it also, hold on, there we go. I would also save these because you can use these for like stencils. And we've got these birds. Those birds would make great stencils as well. Definitely going to have some alternatives on the live that we do. And I'd like to say the live's going to be tomorrow, but I'm not 100% sure. We will have to see if I do that or if I wait until Monday. So there we go. And then these are all like little coral. I'm going to be very careful in taking these guys out, because I don't want to tear any of them. There we go. So we've got some great coral there. And then we've got this other color, but see how you can stencil that? And all I do is I kind of pop them out with my fingers to separate them. And then you kind of grab, and this is what you don't want to happen. You want it to all come out one way, not start grabbing all the other ways. So it's a little bit difficult, especially when you're trying to do 3, but it's much easier and faster when you're doing it this way. There we go. They're all out. Just make sure that you kind of keep them separated from each other when you're ready to use them. So excited. And again, I'm going to keep these. I'm going to make sure this goes a separate area so they don't get all caught up. And then I also keep these so when I want to make any kind of journal or anything, I have those. So I'm going to put this here so you could screenshot it if you'd like. And then, oh, here, I was going to say they didn't give us any glue dots, but I had put it off to the side. So we have glue dots and some twine as well. You guys, if you are new to stamping, I would suggest getting the paper pumpkin. And for a tool, I would grab a take your pick tool, and I don't have my scissors right now, but I would also get some paper snips. And really with this paper snips and what they give you, you're going to be good to go because you're going to get your first block free when you purchase your paper pumpkin. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day. I will put links down below if you wanted to sign up for my Stampin' Bingo, which I forgot to mention. It's going to be on August 10th. It's a Wednesday. It's going to be 5 p.m. Pacific. It lasts about 2 hours or so. Tons of prizes, all kinds of fun stuff, and we have a good time playing bingo, and there are some fun stamping prizes for the winners along with door prizes. And what else? I'll put links for the Stampin' Bingo. I will put links for the paper pumpkin for my website, and I will put this information on there as well. So I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Have a great weekend. I hope to see you this weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.